Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We left off at GBP AUD. This is a continuation video. If you haven't seen the last video, go back to the last video. You'll see Euro AUD. The next pair I'm looking to take. I'm also waiting for a breaker retest. I'll be going in for a buy on Euro AUD. Coming down to the daily. On the daily, we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever the market is below this area, at as a resistance, but whenever we are above, at as a support. Whenever we are above, support, but whenever we are below, resistance. Whenever we are above, support. This is a very clean area. This is a very clean support and resistance zone. On the weekly, very clean. Whenever we are above, support. Whenever we are below, resistance, support. Right now we have a double spike on the weekly. So if you come down to the 4-hour, which I'm looking, okay, 4-hour right now, I'm waiting for a breaker. As I retest, I'll be going on Euro AUD buy. All right, the next trade, and we are having a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This will be a neckline on the 4-hour. The next trade is gold. All right, gold. I'm also looking to sell gold. I've been selling gold for the last few weeks, for a couple of weeks. So that's at the zone, so twice last week as at the zone, and also as at the zone. So coming down to the daily, we are at a very clean support and resistance zone, which we have broken out of. Whenever the market is below the zone, as seen as a resistance, but whenever we are above, support. Whenever we are above the zone, support. Now we have broken below, having a retest. Coming down to the weekly, on the other hand, you can see this is a very clean area where I'll be having rejection from all the zone. So we're gonna have a new low on the I'm anticipating a new low on gold on the 4-hour. Coming down to the 4-hour. 4-hour we are bullish. It's been a higher high, higher low. So once I have a shift in structure, once I have this market breakers at the retest, will be a shift in structure. I'll be going in on gold. Last but not the least, AUD USD. I'm also looking to sell. All right, coming down to the weekly, AUD USD. This is a very clean market. Whenever we are above the zone, is acting as a support. Whenever we are below, resistance. This is a very, very clean market. Very, very clean. One of my favorite for this week. But whenever we break below, acting as a resistance. So now we are below. Okay, we are having a retest. This is a beautiful move. We are having a retest, and a beautiful move coming down to the daily. Whenever we are above, support. Whenever we are below, acting as a resistance. This is a clean market, very clean. This is like my favorite market. Whenever we are below, resistance. Beautiful, very straightforward. We are on the week, on the daily indecision candle that is still moving. Okay, coming down to the 4-hour, what I'm waiting for on the 4-hour. Once I have that breakout now, okay, like I'm having right now, a breakout and the retest, I'll be going in on AUD USD. So it's Sunday. Right now. A few hours will be on Monday. So these are all the trade. Okay, BTC, I'm not trading BTC, but I'm anticipating BTC to go to buy to the upside. All right, that's pretty much it for now. This market has just been broken down. If you didn't see the rest market, go back to my previous video where I broke down the other market. All right, so if you want to trade live for me this week, there will be a description down below. And on the 25K accounts, we are currently down 3%. All right, so we're going to recover this week. So stay tuned. If you want to trade live, you know what to do. And if you are new here, like, subscribe, and also leave a comment. All right, peace out for now. I'm wishing you a very peaceful week. Keep your head in the game.